Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. This is a great side hustle where you can make hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month. And I have friends who are making a full-time income with this method. You don't need any experience, but make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to share with you how you can automate this whole process. I'm excited to share this with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below YouTube money, and we're getting started right now. Just a reminder, the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships, and that is because people have the most problems in those areas. In this video, we're going to be talking about the health niche. Some examples of channels in the health niche that are making some really good money. The first one is called Bestie, and you can see with their Social Blade stats, they're making tens of thousands of dollars every single month from ads. And I would say anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 a month. And then the next one I wanted to share with you is called Body Hub, and they're making probably $8,000 to $9,000 a month with ads. If we take a look at Bestie, you can see the kinds of videos that they do are just on various topics about health, and their video stock footage, and they have a voiceover and some text. And then same thing with Body Hub, similar topics about health, same thing with the video stock footage and voiceover and text. And I wanted to share with you a couple channels that are just getting started, because imagine that this Body Hub started somewhere, had just a few subscribers. Same thing with this one here that has millions of subscribers. They have to start somewhere. So I wanted to give a shout out to my friend Ashley. She started this channel back in June, and she's actually doing really well with it because you can see that a lot of her videos are getting a decent amount of views for being a new channel. And she actually has 2 videos that are trending right now. So you can see that the plant-based diet looks to be a popular topic. So definitely check out her channel, Health Ninjas, because she does something similar in that she takes topics around health and makes a video around it. And she uses a software I'm going to share with you at the end to automate the whole process. The other channel I wanted to share with you that's a fairly new channel as well, started in June of this year also, is called What is Health? And you can see the topics that they have videos on about acne, being a vegetarian, and same thing, they do video stock footage. This channel does voiceover. Ashley doesn't do voiceover on hers. You don't have to, but this particular channel does, and then they do the text on top of it. So that's just some examples of some channels that are making really good money, and then some channels that I believe will be making really good money if they just stick with it. If you're enjoying this content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. That way we can hang out and talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, and money manifestation. So now you might be wondering, how do you find content for your channel? You have an idea, you created the channel, you created the banner, you have a really great name for your channel. Now what kind of content are you going to post? I would say the first thing is to find 10 channels in your niche that you wish that you owned. Look at their most popular videos, their trending videos, or videos that have gotten views in the last few weeks. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bestie. And if we look at their videos in the last 2 weeks, you can see this one here, 6 detox water recipes and busted detox water myths. That one's doing really well. And this one here, 9 things that women notice in a man but you don't. I don't know that that has to do with health, but these are just kind of random topics they do have besides health. So that's one way that you can do it. Let's take a look at Body Hub, and you can see in the last 2 weeks which ones have gotten the most views. That would be these 5 core exercises will transform your body in 7 days. So that's one way you can do it. You can also install something called vidIQ, and that will tell you their trending videos. I wouldn't do any that are old, but I would do some that are more recent. This one actually does not have any trending videos. I'm wondering if they haven't posted any. Yes, they are posting videos. Let's look at this channel here, and that one also does not have any trending videos. I'm thinking this vidIQ is not working right now. Anyway, they will show you the videos that are getting the most amount of views per hour, and then you can take a look at when they were posted. So if they're in the last month or 2, I would go ahead and use those particular titles to model after. And then the next thing you can do is look at their suggested channels. So if we go back to Bestie, just click on channels and they'll link to channels that are similar to theirs. A lot of times this one doesn't look like they have many that you could go from. Let's look at Body Hub, and they have one called Tech Hub. So that's not always the case, but sometimes you can find a lot of other channels in the same niche that you can model after. And then of course you could go to Google, and in this example of the software I'm going to show you, I'm going to say 10 ways to lose belly fat, because most people need to lose belly fat. And you can go here and see there's like 20 effective tips to lose belly fat. There's all kinds of articles that you can get content from, and just maybe not copy, but just take a little bit from each source and mix it up and make it your own. You could do that. You could also go to YouTube search and use keywords everywhere and use the alphabet method. So what I mean by that, let's go ahead and go to YouTube. If you have something installed called Keywords Everywhere, that'll tell you how many searches there are per month for that particular keyword. And this is the second largest search engine under Google. So we'll come here and see what are people already searching for in the health niche. So if we search something like how to lose belly fat, and you can see the other things that people are searching for: how to lose belly fat in 1 week, fast in 1 day, exercises for kids at home, for men without working out, work out while sleeping in 5 minutes. I don't know how you lose belly fat in 5 minutes. So if we just search how to lose belly fat, you can see how many searches there are per month for how to lose belly fat. And that is 301,000 searches per month. So if you take that and just go after that keyword, it's much more competitive than if you go through what's called the alphabet method. So you could put an A there and see what comes up. B. So the longer tail keywords are less competitive. So you can just go through the whole entire alphabet, keep a notepad, and write these keywords down, because you're going to be creating videos around these keywords. You can also get free PLR articles, and I'm going to leave a link to my blog post below where I did a review on IDPLR. You can get this for free, but you can get ebooks, you can get articles, and then you can use them as your own. You could just copy and paste them and use them as your own. So I'll leave a link to this down below. There is a paid version, but you can get the free version. You could also go to Quora.com and just type in the search engine how to lose belly fat, and a lot of articles will come up. Same thing as Google. You can use some of this information and change it up and just put it in your own words and come up with a script for your video. Before we get onto the software on how to automate this whole process, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. The second link will show you how to start a profitable YouTube channel and how to do all this in great detail. There's a free webinar you can watch that's very, very good. So the next thing I wanted to share with you is a software called InVideo.io. I will leave a link in the description below this video. You can try it out. It's very inexpensive. It's under $10 per month. So it's very, very affordable. So let's take a look at the software here. I did create a video just to give you an idea, but I'm going to walk you through it here. So this is what I came up with already. They have some really great stock video in there already. There's a huge library of it. So when you log into InVideo, you'll have different things you can choose from. You can have pre-made templates, you can have text to video, and then you can have a blank template. We're going to do text to video. So when you click on that, you'll have different options of templates that you can choose from. Of course, we're going to pick YouTube landscape, and then you can just pick one because you're going to be changing the video anyway. So we'll just pick this one here. Okay, so we're just going to click on use this template, and then what you'll do is put your headline in here, and I'm just going to put 10 ways to lose belly fat. And I did create a script. I'm going to copy and paste this. I just did 5 for this example. And you can see where this is checked, auto suggest images and videos. It doesn't always relate to what you're talking about, so it's most likely that you will have to change this. But what you're going to do then is just click on next. Okay, and then you can see that it has separated it out into different topics. or different points here, but you can see that none of it relates to what it's saying. So you're going to have to replace a lot of times what it says. This one here doesn't have a video, so we're going to come over here and search belly fat, because it would be great to start this out with somebody who's has some belly fat, since we're talking about losing it. And I'm just going to pick this one here. We're just going to drag and drop it. And then if you wanted to make it shorter, you could just drag it in. So we're just going to use it like it is and just click on done. And then you can see if you play it here, it's 5 seconds long. And it has music already added to it, which you can change up here. And then we'll go on to the next one. You can change the text if you want to, the font or anything that you want on that by clicking on edit, just like an editor. But this one here, we're just gonna get rid of that and maybe do something about fiber with food, eat plenty of soluble fiber. So I would say maybe this video would work here. And we're just gonna click on done, and that's gonna be the next slide. So you can see we just go ahead and edit each one as you go along. And then after you're finished, like I said, I only put 5 in here just to show you because it's kind of long, but none of these videos relate to what it's saying. But once you're finished with it, then all you do is click on export, and then it's going to download it for you. Then you just upload it to YouTube. I also wanted to point out is there is an advanced editor where you can do a lot more things, where you can add the voiceover. So rather than just have text and someone reading it, you would have your voice or someone else's voice, and you would record what it's saying on the slides, and you can do that right here from InVideo. And you can add whatever music you want to do, stickers, other text effects. It's just like a video editor. So this has a lot of different features. Not only what I'm talking about today, but it has many, many more things that you can do to create video ads and just a lot of really cool effects with video. So then you're probably wondering, okay, I've got this channel, how am I going to get subscribers and views? I wanted to share with you a video that I did a little while ago. I'm going to post this in the description below this video, but how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. One of the best ways, does take a while, but it's the comment strategy where you have channels that you subscribe to and you have the bell icon clicked so that you know when they put out a new video and you're the first one to comment, and you have a really great comment and your channel name is really cool, and so people visit your channel just because your comment is so great and they want to know what your channel is about. But go ahead and take a look at that video because it's going to give you some really great ideas on how to grow your channel fast. Okay, so you know you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to apply for the Google AdSense program. But you can make money through affiliate products even before that. And I did that long before I was approved for Google AdSense. I was making a lot of money on my channel. So one of the things you can do is make money through affiliate products, which is what I did. You can go to ClickBank, sign up for completely free, go to their marketplace and search in the health niche. Down here you can just search health and fitness, but you can also go in here and just type in a keyword like reverse diabetes. That's a really popular niche to get into, and you can see this one has $20 per sale. This one here is a popular one. It just relaunched. It gives you $46 per sale. So if you're talking about blood sugar and things like that, these are some really great products. Diabetes Freedom, $45. These are some really great products to promote. And then of course Digistore is another free affiliate program that you can sign up for and get products out of there as well. And I talked to Ashley, and she actually has had some sales from her channel that's very new just through ClickBank. And I think she has another product in here now that's not in ClickBank, but she had a ClickBank product in here and was making sales. And again, that's a way that you can make money even before you get approved for Google AdSense. So besides ClickBank and Digistore, you could just go to Google and type in health affiliate programs. and take a look at what's out there and see how much they pay. And you can see there's a lot of health and wellness affiliate programs out there that are completely free to sign up for. So definitely take a look at everything that's out there and make sure you get the ones that are the best and give you good commissions as well. And I do want to say that if you do go into the health niche, I would say, me being in the healthcare industry for 30 years, be careful what you say to people to do, because even though it's a product that you're promoting, I would say have a disclaimer, make sure you check with your doctor before you implement any of this information, just to protect yourself, because you don't want anybody trying something that's not good for their particular condition. So I definitely would keep that in mind. So if you stick with this method, I promise you can make some really good money. You just have to be consistent and put out quality content. If you like this video, I think you'll really like this video coming up. My #1 passive income method to make $8,000 per month. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.